coffee, red dirt in Sunday school, old men talking straight, and a mama who didn't raise no fool. I learned the sound of a steel guitar before I learned to drive, and I learned some roads can kill a man while making him feel alive. I've had my share of wrong turns, I've had my nights gone wild, but there's still a worn-out Bible beside that country child. I've got a little grace from God and a whole lot of country, a little hard to handle, a little hard to love. I've got old habits hanging on, mercy chasing me, some whiskey scars, some gospel truth, and a heart that still believes. I ain't near what I ought to be, but I thank the Lord above. I've got a little grace from God and a whole lot of country blood. I don't fit in with new ways, I don't shine in city lights. I'd rather hear a screen door slam than a crowd on Friday night. Give me an old guitar ring, give me rain on a tin roof, give me one honest song that sounds like it lived the truth. I've been bent but I ain't broken, I've been low but I ain't done. I've seen mercy in the morning after nights I should have run. I've got a little grace from God and a whole lot of country, a little hard to handle, a little hard to love. I've got old habits hanging on and mercy chasing me, some whiskey scars, some gospel truth, and a heart that still believes. I ain't near what I ought to be, but I thank the Lord above. I've got a little grace from God and a whole lot of country blood. Some folks want clean stories, tied up nice and neat, but mine's got dust and thunder and holes worn in its knees. I've prayed in church on Sunday, I've cried in parking lots, I've lost some fights within myself, but Jesus never lost. He found me in the wreckage when I'd nearly had enough. He didn't change my country roots, He changed what they grew from. Gospel truth and a heart that still believes. I ain't near what I ought to be, but I know whose blood was enough. I've got a little grace from God and a whole lot of country blood. So let that steel guitar cry, let that old drum roll. I'm still country in my bones, still praying in my soul. I ain't near what I ought to be, but I know who lifted me up. A little grace from God. Lotta Country blood. Yeah. Friends we haven't met yet, rolling somewhere down the line. Lord willing, on the next mile, I'll meet you further down the ride.